হ্যাঁ, আপনি আপনার মতো করে বলতে থাকেন, সমস্যা নেই।
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ। আমার নাম মুস্তাফিজুর রহমান মিশু। আজকে আমি গাইবান্ধার একটি অন্যতম কন্টেন্ট ক্রিয়েটর মিটআপে জয়েন করে খুবই আনন্দিত। কেননা আপনারা জানেন যে আমরা কন্টেন্ট ক্রিয়েটররা বিভিন্ন স্থানে ছড়িয়ে ছিটিয়ে থাকি, এরকম সুযোগ হয় না। তবে আজকের এই সুযোগ হয়েছে, এখানে সবাই এসেছি, একসাথে দেখা হচ্ছে, কুশল বিনিময় হচ্ছে। At the same time, I am an English content creator. I have been struggling in the sector for a long period of time. And I personally believe that actually I am from a village, and in the village you can notice that most of the students are suffering from the lack of knowledge of English. And when any student faces the knowledge of English, they become confused to understand, to master English. You know that English is an international language. So if I would like to highlight the current situation of my village, so I have to master, I have to learn English. And using this language, I can spread the knowledge of my village all over the world. So I personally believe that using this language today, it is a golden opportunity for me to highlight the current situation of my area. And most of the people are poor in my village. So, and because of the shortage of money, they can't manage a good educational facilities. So I think that if the students who are living in the village are provided the good educational facilities, so they can be able to do something in their future. And because in spite of being a villager, I can make it possible. And today thousands of people are following me, and actually I would like to do something for the students who are living in the village. Because if I make this possible, actually you know that the content creator is considered to be a bad profession, but this profession has been polluted by some content creators. But today I have taken the decision to highlight the content creation profession as a good profession. So today I have been given a golden opportunity by the media NTV. So I'd like to thank him. Actually, they have given me the opportunity to highlight, to keep up the special things of my village. So thank you so much. And today, joining this program, I'm very glad to explain everything of the program. And after a long period of dispute, we have been able to manage this program. And I'd like to thank the people who have taken the decision to arrange this type of exceptional party. And here we can exchange our opinions, we can speak with one another, we can introduce ourselves with a lot of people who are from the other districts, including Bogura, Rangpur, Gaibandha. So all the things in the area have been so much unique, and I think that to be a part of the program, I am very proud. And thank you so much for giving me the opportunity and to say something. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.